I'm Erika Roldan, and I am a mathematician. I work at the Max Planck Institute for the Mathematics in the Science at Leipzig, and also there I work at the AI Institute for the University of Leipzig.
Hello, I am Olga Paris-Romaskevich. I am a mathematician at CNRS and I work in the University of Aix-Marseille in France. And we both do science outreach.
Yes, one of my passions are doing video games that are related to mathematics research, and I think this links very well and allows me to have great students also wanting to do projects with me.
And I do one outreach activity that I wanted to share with you, which is called street math. And the idea is that it touches anybody who passes by on the street. And we draw mathematical objects with chalk on the street, which gives lots of place for individuality of any person. They follow a mathematical algorithm. We all follow it together as a collective. There is no teacher or somebody like an authority. And it always is very beautiful because there is some math in it and some little flowers or things like this that people add when they want.
And something that I love from one of the things that you have done is that you also use probability there. And this brings random patterns and allow people to reflect that even if you cannot decide on like specifically with rules what to put, there is beauty rising up out of stochastic flavor with all the colors that you put there and all the figures. I love it.
Thank you very much. And what I like about your work is that you also reach people that are very hard to reach. You go in the worst on the score level schools in Mexico, and after going there regularly, you manage to have them the best score in Mexico, which I find very inspiring for outreach. That outreach really can change things for children and mathematics.
Yes, thank you for that. And I think it is indeed very important that we, as people doing outreach, we take conscious of trying to increase the inclusiveness culture in the activities that we do and try to reach out to those who otherwise will never have an opportunity to have this math experience that we love, this aha moment of understanding something suddenly.
Yeah, and actually it makes me think about this math school for girls that I organize in Marseille with my friends and collaborators. And I remember this wonderful moment that, actually it happens every year, like girls that work on a problem for all the week and they solve it and they're super happy and they're sometimes crying and they're sharing it and making pictures and I'm thinking like we managed to give this feeling for somebody who has never proven their own mathematical result before, which is incredible.
Yes, and I think one of the obstacles that usually students or general public has to defy to be able to approach mathematics is to believe in themselves. Believe that even if mathematics is sometimes hard, and we experience that, right? It takes time to solve a problem, and we try a lot and we fail a lot, but mathematics gives a lot of reward, and I think that feeling is what keeps us doing research.
Yeah. And I think that what is also important for us as people who do outreach is to help people who we meet to gain confidence. And sometimes we don't even need to do any math for that. We just need to say to a person, wonderful, keep doing the good job. And I know that in our girls-only school, we see that girls need this help with confidence. So that's what we try to do.
Yes, so I guess the message is if you are a mathematician, do inclusive outreach.